Welcome to USFANS. In this video, we will teach you how to buy products on USFANS. Shop in China with ease through USFANS. USFANS agent platform offers assistance with purchasing both online and offline products in China. How to register. Register a USFANS account with your email address and get ready for your fantastic China shopping experience. How to find a product. Enter the product name or search a keyword in the search field and find the item you want. You can also select items from Chinese e-commerce websites. Select items from Chinese e-commerce websites and copy the link of your interested product. Then paste the link in the search field on USFANS website. Choose the color, size, and quantity for your item. After choosing the color, size, and quantity, proceed to add to cart or check out. Fill in the recipient's information: country, region, detailed address, postal code, and phone number. You can top up to the USFANS account or choose the way you prefer to pay for the item. Submit the order and the professional team at USFANS will contact you. Select items from the warehouse. Once your items arrive at the USFANS warehouse, they will undergo a quality check for defects, size, color, and more. USFANS also offers a dedicated after-sales service guarantee to ensure your satisfaction. You can select any items from our warehouse and combine them into a single parcel. How to ship to you. Choose a reliable logistics provider offered by USFANS. Then click Submit Parcel. Select your payment method and pay for the shipping fee. Now you complete your order and will receive your parcel soon. And finally, please don't forget to scan the QR code and join our Discord for event updates and exclusive offers.